This content is for educational purposes only. Do not attempt the techniques shown without proper authorization. Unauthorized use is illegal and can lead to severe legal consequences. Stay ethical and responsible.
In the space of cybersecurity, this is one subset of cybersecurity. There are a lot of other categories in cybersecurity, but offensive security is basically we or the teams act as a adversary, find vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, design flaws, whatever it may be on their applications or on their network infrastructure, or might be that they might find issues within the cloud infrastructure or anything. So basically they find vulnerabilities or misconfiguration within these systems and give a really good remediation mechanism to patch that. So that is what we do. We find vulnerabilities before attackers does, so that we are able to we are prepared for their attack. So they might not be able to find that. So that is what we are trying to do. We compromise the system, we do a good reporting to the particular client, and then they pass that particular vulnerability, and then we do a retest of that again. So that is what our goal is as an offensive security professional. Yeah. Basically, just wanted to highlight this as well. Like, we really adapt the mindset of an attacker. So how an attacker might be going to, what do you say, attack a particular organization or a particular system. That is what we adopt. We try to be act like an adversary to attack a particular system or whatever the scope might define. And then what we do is we really, we do that in a really creative way as well. We might be bypassing a lot of defenses in place. We might be, depending upon what the client wants, right? We do that according to what the client wants. It is written in the ROE. We'll be looking at the ROE, what are the things that we can do, what are the things we cannot do. According to that particular document, we'll be conducting our assessment, and then we'll be providing a report so that the the client patches that.